That's the last one you should have given him. Oh, he loved this one.
Recording it.
Oh my God, he's so excited he is. He's so nervous.
Look how he opens it.
He doesn't even know what to do with himself.
Look, I know his little mouth is just like.
What is it, Bear?
Oh my God, he's so excited.
What is it, Bear? What do you got?
Damn, I can't get to the shit. I want that ball, I want that ball.
We know how to get them when they're probably too small and try to eat.
Oh, he got it, he got it? Yeah, got it. What are you gonna do, man?
Yeah, you can draw that.
Oh my gosh, dude. Papers on my damn whiteboard, man. Oh, wait.